Hi everyone, 9 divided by 6 goes first, so let's write it in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 9 over 6. Next, let's bring down the 7 and the 2 down, but in fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 7 over 1 equals 7 does not change to 7 minus 9 over 6 divided by 2 over 1, which equals 2, does not change to 2. Next, PEMDAS is saying that division goes first, so we're to use the KCF rule, keep, change, flip rule. So we'll keep the first fraction, 9 over 6. Next, we change division to multiplication. And lastly, we're to flip this fraction. So the 1 goes above the fraction and the 2 goes below the fraction. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 2. Next, we multiply across. So 9 times 1 is 9 over 6 times 2 is 12. And this is a proper fraction, and it can be broken down further, and we should have done that with the 9 over 6. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's just break down the 9 over 6 to make the math fun and simple. And so here we're going to divide 9 divided by 3, which is 3, over 6 divided by 3 is 2. And now we have a improper fraction, 3 over 2. Now let's go ahead and write 3 over 2 divided by 2 over 1. And we're to use the KCF rule, or keep, change, flip rule. So we keep the 3 over 2, we change division to multiplication, and lastly we flip the second fraction. So the 1 goes above the fraction and 2 goes below the fraction. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 2. Next, we multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3, over 2 times 2 is 4. Now we have an improper fraction, 3 over 4. And now I'll erase all this and then write minus 3 over, oops, it's the other way, yeah, it's this way, 3 over 4. So 3 over 4. And notice that the denominators are different, so we're to use the butterfly method. So we'll draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So here is the first wing and the first antenna. So we multiply 7 times 4, and here's the other wing and the other antenna. So 7 times 4 is 28, and then 1 times 3 is 3, and then the body, 1 times 4 is 4, and so the denominator is 4, and we subtract 28 minus 3, which is 25. And this is your improper fraction answer, but let's get a decimal answer using long division. And also let's get a mixed number answer using the long division. So I'll write the 25 over 4 on this side of the board, and let's write the long division symbol there. And so the 25 goes inside the long division symbol and the 4 goes outside. Now, how many times can 4 fit into 25? Well, 6 times, right? And 6 times 4 is 24, and 25 minus 24 is 1. And can you fit 4 into 1? You cannot, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So I'll write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. How many times can 4 fit into 10? How many? 2 times. Good job. And 2 times 2 times 4 is 8. And we subtract 10 minus 8 is 2. How many times can 4 fit into 2? You cannot, so the 2 needs to borrow a 0. So give the 0 to the 2. Now the 2 becomes 20. How many times can 4 fit into 20? 5 times. And 5 times 4 is 20. And 20 minus 20 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 6.25, or you just write the 6 as the whole number. This is the mixed number answer, and the 1, which is the remainder, goes above the fraction bar, and the 4 goes below the fraction bar. So you have 614 over 4 as the mixed number answer, the 6.5 as your second answer, and the third answer is 25 over 4. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing. And also, please give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.